In this video, we're starting our drive in Highland Park off Avenue 51, and we'll be turning on Townsend Avenue. This is Living in Northeast LA with me, Realtor Victoria.Munoz. I'm also a vlogger and a Compass real estate agent. Here's the address, 4614 Townsend Avenue. I'll leave this link in the description of the video. This is our Compass platform. It has information on properties nearby for sale, properties that have sold nearby, school information, and if you're not sure where the property sits, there's also a map that you can scale back and zoom in, zoom out to see how far it is from other landmarks in LA County. Here's a really nice video you can find in the link. There's also mortgage information. You can also scale back to see how much, if you change your deposit, what a mortgage would look like. Here's other properties listed that have sold and that are actively for sale. And if you need help selling your home, you can always contact us for selling your home with Compass. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do property tours every week. I work with buyers and sellers looking to relocate in and out of Northeast LA and adjacent San Gabriel Valley areas. Before we start the property tour, I wanted to share really quick. This was the LA River yesterday. There was so much water. Anyhow, back to the tour. Today we're at 4614 Townsend Avenue in Eagle Rock. That's LA 90041.
Yes.
The listed price is $2,295,000. This is a contemporary style home built in 1991. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2,817 square feet of living space with a lot size of 14,872 square feet of living space. That was the property tour. Thanks for sticking around. Now we're headed to Donut Friend located on York Boulevard in Highland Park. They have really good donuts. If you haven't tried them, you gotta check it out. A lot of the donuts are named after bands, so if you're not familiar with a lot of these bands, you should check out their donut shop. It's really good. It's located on Figueroa Street in Northeast Los Angeles. Thanks for staying until the end. This is Living in Northeast LA with me, Victoria Munoz. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.